If you're paying for ChatGPT Plus and you want to cancel your subscription, whether you're not using it enough or you want to save money, then watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel in just a few simple steps. Now, before we start, it's important to know that when you cancel your ChatGPT Plus subscription, you'll still have access to all the Plus features until the end of your current billing period. So if you paid for the month already, you'll keep using Plus until that month is over. After that, your account will automatically switch back to the free version. You won't lose any chat history, you'll just lose access to things like GPT-4o and faster response times. So let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT on your computer. Once the page loads, you'll see the ChatGPT interface with your chat history on the left side. Now look for your profile picture or avatar on the screen. It could be at the bottom left corner, or it might be at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. Once you click on it, a menu will pop up with different options. What you're looking for is the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings. Once the Settings page opens, you'll see several different sections. What we're looking for is the Account section, so go ahead and click on Account. This will open up your account management page. Now at the very top of this account page, you'll see your current plan. Right next to your plan name, you'll see a little Manage option. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see a Cancel Subscription option. I'm going to click on Cancel Subscription, and after that, I'll confirm my decision by clicking on Cancel one more time. Your ChatGPT Plus subscription is now canceled.